Hikayat tayo ng ating Panginoon na ipalaganap ang devotion sa kanyang Sacred Heart. Number 12, I promise you, on the excessive mercy of my heart, that my all-powerful love will grant all to those who communicate on the first Friday in 9 consecutive months the grace of final perseverance. They shall not die in my disgrace, nor without receiving the sacraments. My divine heart shall be their safe refuge in the last moment. So ito na po yung talagang pinaka-promise ng Sacred Heart. I promise you, on the excessive, ibig sabihin napakarami, di ba, excess. So napakaraming biyaya ng ating Panginoon na ng kanyang powerful love na igagrant niya kung sino man ang mag-devotion sa Sacred Heart ng 9 consecutive first Fridays. They shall not die in my disgrace, nor without receiving the sacraments. Dahil ang happy death ay ang bago ka mamatay ay makareceive ka ng sacraments. So, yun po, yung gift na iyon ay ang ibibigay ng ating Panginoon, and my divine heart shall be their safe refuge in the last moment. Sa last moment, sa iyong kamatayan ay dadating ang Panginoon at ang iyong magiging refuge. Sasamahan ka niya patungo ng heaven. Ayun.